Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Azure tenant, virtual network gateway, and a client configuration. Once verified, download the Azure VPN client and export the VPN profile from the gateway. Make sure to obtain the correct authentication method, certificate, or Azure Active Directory credentials, and note your tenant ID and username. This gets you into the first actionable phase. Next, import the profile into the client so the app has the connection definitions and the correct auth type ready to use. Once the profile is imported, you configure authentication and connection details. If you use certificate auth, import the client certificate into the machine store and point the VPN client to it. If using Azure Active Directory, sign in with your organizational account and consent to required permissions. Then, make sure split tunneling and DNS settings match your network plan. This impacts traffic routing to Azure. Adjust route priorities and test a quick connect to confirm credentials and routes are accepted by the gateway. You connect by selecting the profile and pressing connect. Watch the client status and logs to confirm you receive an Azure-assigned IP and correct routes. If the connection fails, check the certificate's validity dates or the Azure AD token expiry. Also verify the virtual network gateway is provisioned and not in failed state. When needed, use Azure Network Watcher and the client's diagnostic logs to trace packet flow and authentication errors. This single troubleshooting tip, examine logs first, usually reveals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.